Hello guys, how y'all doing? This this video is to show you guys a little bit of map editor. If you guys are having map editor and it's not working, you've already installed it, you followed the steps right here, installation, you've installed script.v, script.v.net, native UL and all that stuff. If you guys have done all this and you go into your game and you hit F7 and it's not, the map editor is not pulling up, this video is to show you how to fix that issue. Okay, I'm running on Windows 10, obviously. Please make sure you've installed all the correct mods. I mean, there's other people that are going to show you some videos on YouTube on how to install all of these and where it needs to go. So this video is not going to show you that. If you are looking for that, please go to YouTube and type how to install map editor on GTA 5. I have a YouTube video right here. This guy says how to install map editor and map mods. You can watch his video, Adams. You can watch his video to show you how to do it. There's another guy there as well who shows you how to do it. So his side is map editor installation and fixes English. His side, he doesn't show you how to fix the F7 because in his own as well, a lot of people are complaining about the F7 button not working. But please go ahead, you can watch their videos. Those two, I recommend you watch their videos if you're having issues with the installation. But this video is for a whole different thing. Okay, so you'll have an issue, your S7 is not pulling up. That's what you're trying to fix, and this is the video to help you do that. So basically, obviously on your game, sorry, let's go to, yeah, we're there already. You want to make sure everything is installed where it needs to go. Your script.v.net, you want to make sure it's in the right locations and all that, guys. Make sure you have your scripts. Again, this is not the video to show you how to do all that installation. If you're looking for that, go to YouTube and you will follow theirs. They will show you where all your installation, your files need to go and what you need to do. So please follow them. Map editor, that's where obviously auto load maps, sorry, that's where your map mods need to go to. Map editor, there's nothing on it other than the languages. So, but this is in the script folder. Addings, this is Union Depository for a heist mod via Lula. So make sure if you're doing heist mods that's asking for Lula, download Lula. You will find that as well in the map folder. So you just have to type Lula, I guess. Let me see if that will pull up. Lula script or whatever. Yes, it did. Lula plugin for script hook v 10.1. You install that, follow the instructions there. He has his instructions on the readme file. Follow that on doing the installation. This is a whole different thing. Okay, so basically you're done with all that. You've finished. It's still not working, so go ahead and launch your game. I think that's not it. Yeah, go ahead and launch your game. Mine, I don't know if it matters whether you have to run it as administrator or run it as normal, but I'm doing run as administrator. You can try to run normal and see if that will work or not, but this is what needs to fix this. Make sure your game pull up. Daybreaker 16. I'm also on Xbox One, so if you have an Xbox One, you can add me on there. I would appreciate some likes, subscribe, join. You can watch my other videos. comment positive comments and whatnot. Share this video so others can see it, because there's a lot of people that have this issue. When I've been looking into it, I've seen a lot of comments on people not having this rectified, and a lot of videos not showing how to rectify this, even from the guy who made the mod. I understand he has a lot going on, but if you're looking for him to do a video on it, how to fix it, you're a little pissed off, you're a little frustrated, this video is to help you. So basically, let's go back to it. All right, so now what you guys want to do, you want to go into your settings. When you go on your main screen right here where it says story mode, online, you want to go to settings. In your settings, go to key binding. This is on the PC, obviously, not an Xbox 360 or anything like that. But yeah, go to your key bindings, hit enter. Now here, let's go ahead and restore this to default, so we'll be all on the same page. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna exit out completely again so you guys can be with me. Okay, so when you come here with like me, you're going to come to key bindings. Just follow these steps. Go down, click key bindings, click enter to enter the key bindings, obviously. Now in this screen right here, you're going to find Trevor. Switch to Trevor, which is going to say F7 on it. It should say F7 on it by default. That's your issue right there. This being the F7 and with the map editor being F7, I guess with the system it's not knowing what's going on, which one it needs to do, so it's maybe confusing the system or whatever, to the point whereby it's not pulling it up. What you guys want to do, you want to click that, delete that. Now you're gonna get this warning sign right here, and whereby you're gonna get there are inputs that are currently unbound or conflict. You can't leave this blank, okay? You can't. You see, when you go back, it gives you this. So you will have this little warning. You currently have required inputs that are unbound. All changes will be lost if you leave this page. Do you want to continue? Obviously no. So go back to this key. No, this one. Go back to this key. Make sure it's flashing and input another key that you are not using, that's not assigned to anything on GTA 5. Okay? How do you know that? I don't know. That's what you guys have to figure out on your side. Mine, I just went with the print system key, the print screen key. That's all I went with, because it's not assigned to anything. I don't have my computer hooked up to a printer or anything like that, so I assigned it to that key. You can assign another key, I guess. Figure out which one you're comfortable with, that you would remember. I can always usually normally switch to characters as using my controller or whatever. So, but remember that in case you want to just be using the keys to switch to Trevor. Remember that key you assign it to. Alright, so when you're done, you hit back. 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 Now you go to your story mode, start the story mode. Now you're gonna see something happen to my screen here. You're gonna see pop up two screens. It's gonna minimize and pop up two screens. I'm guessing maybe some of you've already seen this. It's happened with you and you thought it's gonna work and stuff like that, but it didn't. There you go, like this. If you have this screen that pull up, then already a map editor is working. So like that screen right there, let me do this real quick so I can get my mouse. I don't know any other way to get my mouse out of there. So you have your add-ons and whatnot right here for your map editors. Do not close this, because if you close this, it exits out of the GTA 5. It closed. So minimize it, or you can leave it like the way it is, but I just minimize it. So next, go back to your GTA 5 game. For it to go back to full screen, I click both the ATL button and enter for it to go to full screen. Okay, I don't know if yours is gonna be different, but I doubt it. For you to go back to full screen. So now the game is still loading. If you have Rage plugin hooked, should you open it via Rage plugin hook? I haven't done that yet, so before this video ends, I will try and do that and see if it will still work. But if it doesn't, just run it normally. Now, if you come into your main, your game starts, and you have this going on, saying loading model, you've done it right. Your installation is correct. Where you've put all your files is correct. So you're good. Now, if I click F7, like you see right now, I click F7, nothing's happening. Now you're like, oh man, it didn't work or anything like that. No, you have to give it a minute for that to load, okay? Because it's still loading the games, the models in there and whatnot. So give it a second. Now you know it's good. You're good to go. Map editor loaded. Map editor, you have reached the prop limit. That I can't help you guys out.
Hey Lester. Mike, hey, I'm transferring.
That I can't help you out because I don't know anything about that yet. This video was basically to get you guys to have your map editor pop-up screen working. So now you're done with that. This is all. I'm gonna go back to F7 again. My button right there finger. On F7 again. You see, it's still not working. Why is it? So there you go. Give it a second, like I said. Now you see, the loading model is gone. The F7 now is working. F7 again. It's still working. Now you go back to get back. F7. Back. F7. Back. F7. So guys, this should work for you perfectly. Now before this video ends, I want to go to Rage plugin hook and see if this will matter, if that will matter, if it will work on there too. So I'm gonna go ahead and exit out of this game. If you're done your side, you can leave. If you don't care about map editor, Rage plugin hook, something like that, you can go ahead and exit. You don't have to continue watching the video because you're completely done. This is just for the guys that want to know if it will work with Rage plugin hook. There you go. Yeah, Rage plugin hook. So this side, you go there, open it. Go ahead and minimize that. I know it takes long for mine to open. I guess having a lot of files. I'm guessing. I don't know if that's the reason to it or not. But go ahead and hit the ATL and enter. Oh, no, you gotta click that button. Gotta be inside the GTA. There you go. Now ATL and enter. Again, this is just to see if Rage plugin will, map editor will work with the Rage plugin hook. I don't know. We're both doing this completely new, I guess. Because I don't have the answer to that yet. I'm currently doing this as I'm filming it, recording it. So if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. If it works, great. But the purpose of this video was to honestly just show you guys how to get that map editor to work. Yes, I know it's slow. Alright, so it seems to be working as well because it's saying loading model. So, but let's just give it a second just to make sure. Yep, looks like it's saying map editor failed to load. See error below. It says keys. An item with the same key has already been added.
Hey, Lester. Mike, hey, I'm transferring your cut of the jewel store take to your account. Madrazo's already got the house money, so you can rest easy there. Thank God for that.
Okay, so F7, it does work. It works here too. So guys, other than that, load maps and all that stuff, I don't know. You guys would have to see on your side how to get that working. How am I moving that mouse? I'm using the up and down key on my keyboard. So, and enter, so I guess today, so shows you guys it was working as well on here. So F7 again, pulse up. So I hope this video helped you guys out, fix your issue. If it did, please like my video and share my video. I would appreciate it. Much love. Appreciate it, guys. And you're welcome. Those of you that are gonna say thank you, it worked, you are fully 100% welcome. I'm glad I could help you. If there are more issues that I come up with, I see people are having issues with, I will try, if I find the solution as well, I will try and post a video to help you guys out as well, so you guys can find the answer as well. Thank you guys and have a good one.